Thousands of people throughout the state are without power. The storm wasn't here for long, but still managed to pack a punch.
Yeah, NBC4's Eric Halperin has been checking in on some of the cleanup and restoration efforts. He's on the north side of Columbus right now. Still some work left to be done, I understand, Eric.
And Colleen and Carrie, at last check with AEP's outage map, there were still a little more than 1,600 Franklin County customers in the dark tonight. All the lights and the businesses around this part of Olentangy River Road had been out, but about 5 minutes ago, they came back on. Wind blowing through a dark Westerville neighborhood. The only lights coming from Westerville Electric's trucks. Some of the only sound coming from crews getting a tree off a power line so they can get the rest of the lights back on. There were also power outages on the south side of Columbus. AEP up in the bucket truck there around 6:30. And this is Jen and Mike Love's back porch in Genoa Township.
This was in the backyard over there, and then we watched it tumble like a tumbleweed, and it just rolled right onto our deck.
Yep.
Pretty scary.
The kids were screaming.
The trampoline blew over from 3 houses away before coming to a stop on their porch. They heard the wind moving the 250-pound swing on their deck, so they looked outside. That's when they saw the trampoline coming their way.
Please don't hit our windows.
Please don't hit our windows.
Thankfully, it didn't. The Loves have lived in the neighborhood for 10 years and say this is the worst wind they've experienced.
It sounded like a tornado was coming through.
It did. It sounded like just things from all over the place were hitting the house everywhere.
Westerville Electric says most of its outages have been taken care of. AEP says most of the company's outages from this storm have been in central Ohio. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halperin, NBC4.